Today I'm going to give you a small review of Carbon ROM 4.3.1 version. So as you can see that I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note GT and 7000. So since I have rooted my phone, I have tried many ROMs from 4.1.2 to latest one 4.4.2. So this is another one, Carbon ROM. This is the first ROM which actually I am using of version 4.3.1. So as you can see that the user interface is quite good. It is really good. I love the overall experience. The touch is excellent. As you can see, I have not kept any wallpaper, that's why it is looking black. But the touch is so smooth, it's so slick, no glitches at all. As you can see, it is very smooth. So let's go to the setting and see what we have here. This is how the notification panel will look, and here is the setting. First we'll see the version of ROM. Go to the about phone, and you can see this Android 4.3.1. This is Android 4.3.1 Carbon ROM. So you have seen the touch of the phone, it's excellent. Now I'm going to show you some. So this is basic settings which you have in every ROM, but what you get here is this carbon fibers. In this you have this animation. There are so many options. I don't want to play with animation. I don't like to have different kind of animations in my mobile. They generally tend to drain your battery much faster than the it is always good to not have animation. As far as I am concerned, I don't like animations. So this one feature is very excellent. This is the halo. We called it halo. You get this in Expose installer also. It actually gives you experience of multi-window. There you have to just on it, and then you have to select which application you want in it. Hello. I don't use it actually, but this is actually really good feature. It gives you a multi-window like a computer, like you get it on a PC. You can open two split windows at a time. So this one, hello. Then you have this interface. Here you can change the interface related settings. So many. If you are accustomed with all these things, what are the system related things, then you will definitely love this setting, this transparency setting. This gives you how status bar will look. This is status bar, how this is little bit transparent, little bit. You can see the blue line here. So in this setting you can change this, which I am happy with the current default setting. These are the default setting. I haven't done anything with these settings. See here I'll just show you few options. Allow custom buttons, backlight. This one, see this clear recent position. I'll show you the what does this mean. Key the apps which you have opened, these look like that. This one, and this is the actual button, and what this setting is telling where you want this button. Top right, you can see it now on top right. Top right, this is how you change. I want it to bottom left. You'll see it bottom left. Yes, here you go, this one. It will clear all the recent apps, like it gone. Now again go to the setting. We'll go to the setting, then this carbon fiber interface. So there are so many. This is RAM bar mode. I'm not using it. It shows, it gives I'll just show you how exactly it is. See, it's called application cache and author. I'll show you what are these actually. What is the RAM bar actually? See, I have just enabled it. Yeah, this bar, it wasn't there previously, now it is there. It is showing how much RAM I'm consuming, my applications, my cache and other settings. You can change it like this. Yeah, you can change the color, and now I'm just going to give this application only, so you'll see only application. See, now these are the color. Anyone you want to, you can choose. Now after that you have this lock screen. Too many settings, there are too many settings on lock screen. That first one is widgets. You can get widgets, even you can access widgets from the lock screen. Battery status, it will show you the percentage of the battery even if your phone is locked. This you don't get on stock ROM. Hide initial page hint, set whether the hint for the left or right is shown. Then you have this music control. Even if your phone is locked, you can control you can control your volume while playing music. Here is the default background. You can change the wallpaper like this, whatever you want you can change it. Then this active display, I also don't like to use this, so I don't know much about this active display. And buttons, so these are the buttons. Long press back button, it will give you what action you want. If your phone is locked and still you press this back button, then these are the menu, or these are the things you can do. Now you just have to select anyone you want. I don't want anything. I want my phone to be locked. Then you have this thing. You can select whatever you want here. See, if you want a camera to open, you have to just add a camera function here. You just have to come here and camera will open automatically. Yeah, that's what it's saying, empty. So what you have to do is add a camera in it. WhatsApp camera. No, I don't want WhatsApp camera. AOKP action. I'll take this AOKP action. These are the things. Now what you want here is it is here. So you have this, so you can have this at least 4 5 6. Then we'll go back, navigation. Yeah, in Samsung Galaxy Note you have this only two buttons, this menu button and back button and the center key. But in many phones you get these navigation buttons, so you can customize your phone with this navigation button. Actually I don't like navigation buttons, so I don't use them at all. They, without any reason, they take a lot of space of your screen, so I don't want to use navigation button. If you like, this is a very good function for you. Then you have this pie control. This one I really love it. I have not on it, I have kept it off, so I'll just off it for you, on it for you. I'll just make it on it for you. I'll just make it on. So these are too many things. Let's see if I can show you how this works. I'll just try and see if it works or not. actually it works, but somehow because the video is somehow it is not working, but it works. I have tested it works very well. I just keep it off. There are too many options in file, which is actually it gives you a shortcut option while you are on any screen. It gives you option of many many things, it is like another navigation from a default screen. Even if you can get you can go to the any app you want, you just have to click here so that file will come out. Now power menu, you can add these many things to your power menu. Then these are the ribbons and status bar. Here you can see that I am having this network indicator and clock. Generally the clock, my friends really appreciate the clock in the center, and the way it shows date, day exactly. Even it shows AM PM also. And here the thing, network speed indicator, it exactly out of I mean just this near to your network icon, the network speed appears. It shows you what speed your network is giving you. And this is the thing that if you are using LT network, you can just click here, sorry, this one. So it automatically it will show that you are using 4G. It is just nothing but a folk, fake 4G. So here is the thing, this is the battery icon style. You have too many lots of styles like this. Now see, I'll just show you what this one, this gear. Suppose I have added this gear. Now this battery has become a gear shape like. This is wonderful. I love it. Again, I'll go to the setting, carbon fiber, and status bar. In battery, now this sets the text color. That means how much what that it gives the color to your percentage in circle color. Then animation, at what speed you want that circle to it's whatever speed you want to set. Then battery bar alignment, you can align it anywhere you want. Like if you want center mirror, you can get it into the center. It hasn't yet come out, but it will come at center. No, actually I'm having that's why it is not. I'm having clock, that's why it is not coming at the center. Then the thickness, when you can choose the thickness also. And here comes the clock. As I said that there are options, you can do changes with your clock. And this notification, you can do lots of with the notification. These are the quick settings. So after that, yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that device tunable. Actually by using this button you can increase your vibrator intensity. Actually it increases your default vibrator intensity. They have recommended that value should not be more than 75, but you can change it to from default to, you can increase it. And I'm really happy with this. When I'm driving and all, doing that, many times I don't get the calls. Somehow I missed the calls. I don't understand that someone is calling because the vibrator intensity is very low. So with this, even on driving on a bike, I feel that my phone is vibrating. You know, that is how it is. I really like this thing. Then yeah, then this dark carbon. This is nothing but one feature that will save your battery. It will make background completely dark. Everything is dark here, and this will definitely save. This what actually I have. I got this dark background from that thing only. So again go to the setting. This dark carbon. I don't want that. It saves your battery a lot. I just want to make it off. Then this is the launcher. Double clicked it. Okay, go back, get it off, wait for a second, then this launcher. Okay, so I have only default launcher, that's why it is not opening. If you are having one or more than one launcher, then you can access it from this launcher button. Then this is one wonderful related setting. Here you can set your CPU. Right now I have set it on performance, but I want to set it on demand. On demand is the actually thing you should want. So this is nothing but the CPU frequency, at what frequency your phone uses your CPU. So on demand is a thing which I mean uh, you can say that per app, whatever app you are using, it depending on the what function your app is doing, it uses the CPU frequency. So I recommend you set this on demand. There are too many options. It actually improves your performance. And these are the memory management setting. Allow you can do some changes in your memory. This transparency, I prefer don't go. I always prefer that you should not go to the things which you are not aware of, which you're not knowing too much about. And then themes, and these are the normal settings like sound with some additional functions in it. Similarly with display and storage, and this battery. These are the normal settings which you get on these are the profiles, security, language input. Here is the one thing that you have, this app privacy. I would like to show you this app privacy, what exactly it has. It shows every app in your phone, whatever app. It is showing which app is going on now. Right now my gallery is going on as I'm using this camera. It is showing running. Then this system UI, 2 minutes ago I used this setting, 2 minutes ago. Actually I have used it, I'm using it, but it's just showing. Now what happens if I click on titanium backup? What it shows 4 days ago, when it vibrate 4 days ago, read contact, it never used. But this is showing exactly what this app has done with your system related things, like titanium backup used vibrator 4 days ago. Then titanium backup read my contacts, it's never read because it does not it is not having that function. It cannot modify my contact. Post notification 25 minutes ago, it has post one notification. So you can change these settings. Like if you want to see, I'll show you something. That let's see this messages. Yeah, this will show you read clipboard. Whatever copied text having on the clipboard, this this messaging app has read 3 days ago. Then it vibrates 57 minutes ago. Read contacts 26 minutes ago. So this is a contact related app, so it has, but you can change this by just doing this. Now this app cannot read your contacts, cannot by any means. So this actually add, so this function, what exactly this, you know, app privacy, it is actually giving you power to I mean to give what kind of authority you want to give to your app, the app you are using. So you can change that into this setting, and every app having it, every app, every, maybe it's, you know, system app or user app, whatever, it has that. So as I said, this about phone, a wonderful ROM. I am really loving it. I am using it from almost 5 days now. It has not given a single glitches, single problem, and this is actually statistic. I have done this enable reporting because I believe, I don't know if it is true or not, I believe that these reports help the developer uh, to fix some bug or what, according to the system. So I have enabled that reporting. You can anytime disable it. So this is Carbon version ROM. You can see the build number. Build number is, yeah, baseband version, and 7000 XXLT4 GTN 7000, and you can download the ROM from the link below. I'm going to give the link. Just make sure that after installing this ROM, you definitely for 100% have to install 4.3. Apps. Don't use 4.2 or 4.4. Use specific apps for this version, that is 4.3. So this is how it. This I was talking about. These are the few apps which comes with G apps. This GOO manager, excellent app. It is everything about the ROM. And this hollow window, as I said, this I have just kept the Chrome browser. You just have to keep on adding the apps you want in that hollow window. So this is everything about the Carbon ROM, whatever I have used, and I know, as far as I know, I'm really happy with them. So guys, thank you once again. Do like and do subscribe. Thanks a lot once again. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot.